Stair runners are more than decorative elements for your staircase. They serve multiple practical purposes that make them a smart investment for any homeowner. The primary benefit is safety. Stairs can be dangerous, particularly in homes with children or elderly residents. A stair runner provides a non-slip surface that significantly reduces the risk of slips and falls. Beyond safety, stair runners protect your stairs from daily wear and tear. The constant foot traffic on bare stairs causes damage over time, leading to costly repairs or replacements. A runner acts as a protective barrier, preserving the underlying stair structure and extending its lifespan. This protection saves money in the long run by preventing the need for expensive restoration work. Comfort and noise reduction are additional advantages. Stair runners create a softer walking surface compared to hardwood or tile stairs. They also absorb sound, making your home quieter by muffling the noise of footsteps going up and down the stairs. When choosing a stair runner, material selection matters. Wool runners offer timeless elegance and exceptional durability. They handle heavy foot traffic well and maintain their appearance for years, making them ideal for traditional home designs. The natural warmth and texture of wool create a cozy atmosphere. Synthetic materials like nylon and polyester provide budget-friendly alternatives. These materials are easy to clean, resist stains effectively, and hold their color over time. They work particularly well in modern homes where practicality and low maintenance are priorities. The installation process should be customized to your specific needs. Professional installers take precise measurements to ensure a perfect fit. They consider your design preferences, home layout, and the overall aesthetic you want to achieve. Proper installation is critical for both appearance and safety. Poorly installed runners can create tripping hazards or look uneven and unprofessional. Two main installation styles exist: waterfall and tailored. The waterfall method allows the runner to flow smoothly over each step, creating a continuous, cascading appearance. The tailored approach fits each step individually for a more structured, defined look. Each method produces a distinct visual effect. Maintenance keeps your stair runner looking fresh. Regular vacuuming removes dirt and debris that can wear down fibers. Addressing spills immediately prevents stains from setting. With proper care, your stair runner will maintain its vibrant appearance and continue protecting your stairs for many years. Stair runners transform functional staircases into design features. The wide variety of colors, patterns, and textures available means you can find options that complement any interior design scheme, adding sophistication and elegance to your home.